फर्स्ट लेवल हम लोग कौन सा देखते हैं? ऑटोट्रॉफ्स. इट इज autotroph. And what it does? Just tell me. What is ना? लिख लेंगे ऑटोट्रॉफ. Autotrophs fix carbon dioxide in their body with their own mechanism. Autotrophs fix carbon dioxide in their body with their own mechanism in the form of different organic compounds, especially glucose, with the help of water. There are two types of autotrophs. First, photoautotroph, and second, chemoautotroph. Chemo, C-H-E-M-O. Photoautotroph fixing carbon in their body in the presence of sunlight, but chemoautotroph fixing carbon in their body through chemical reactions with the help of bacteria. Understood? And this is, I said that autotroph, you know that ये क्या होता है, इसे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Production. This is known as, I said that, production. And they are the two, we have seen that they are producing the energy and maintaining nutrients in their body. Second, after that, I said, autotrophs को खाने वाला कौन आ जाता है? Herbivores. Who comes? Herbivores. Clear? Autotrophs producer है. The first primary consumer कौन आ जा गया? Who is the primary consumer? Yes? Herbivores. And herbivores are eaten by, yes, carnivore, and it is known as, I said that, secondary consumer. And इससे ऊपर कौन बैठा हुआ है? यस, हाँ, omnivore. And it is a tertiary consumer, and these are known as, I said that, heterotrophs. And these heterotrophs are what? They cannot fix carbon dioxide or cannot make their food by them, yes or not, by themselves or by their own act. What is processes? So they are dependent on autotrophs. So they used to what? They cannot fix carbon dioxide or carbon in their body. They cannot fix carbon and other nutrient or energy in their body, but for their fixing they are depending on producer, and through some chemical processes these heterotrophs started fixing the organic compounds, carbon in their body. So it is in a which kind of heterotrophs? Chemoheterotroph. ये कैसा हेटेरोट्रॉफ हो जाएगा? Yes or not? हम लोग कैसे अंदर में केमिकल रिएक्शन के थ्रू that we are हमारे अंदर में आ रहा है, then he started putting into the different form. Generally we are doing heterotroph, but we are not able to. क्यों heterotroph है? क्योंकि we can't fix the what is ना energy in our body. We can't fix carbon in our body. Understood? जैसे देखा plants is able to fix through the photo and something. लेकिन हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? For this we have to depend on other, and when we consume it, then our different what is an activity and process through the chemical reaction started fixing it. Understood it? So write down. Heterotrophs cannot make food by them, or cannot make food by them, or cannot fix energy or nutrient in their body, or in other word, cannot fix carbon dioxide in their body. Understood? For this they are dependent on other sources and producers. Other sources and producers. Clear? So the next one, I said that there are the two types of heterotrophs. One first it is chemoheterotroph, and photoheterotroph. Understood? In chemoheterotroph, heterotroph by consuming producer through chemical reaction they fix carbon, energy and nutrient in their body. And photoheterotroph, generally aquatic animals, generally specific aquatic animals, after consuming phytoplankton in the presence of sunlight, fix carbon in their body, carbon, nutrient in their body. So we have seen, I said that one, it is an autotroph, Another I said that heterotroph. Autotroph can be photoautotroph and it is a chemoautotroph. And this kind of it is ये जितने भी heterotrophs हैं ये कौन heterotroph है? Chemoheterotrophs. इसके बाद ऊपर में आ जाते हैं. There is one I said that another carnivore is also there. It is a scavenger. They are carnivore which are consuming the primary consumers, but the scavengers are what is yes, based on what is dead animals. किसको खाते हैं वो? Like you know that vultures. Yes, आपने देखा होगा. So another carnivore it is, and I said that like vultures, hawk and all, there I said based on eating this one. इसके बाद आ जाता है वो है आपका decomposers. What is there? And then decomposers or detrivores. It is very much important for the earth's surface, and these are bacteria and fungi. ध्यान रखिएगा, virus is never in the any food chain and food web. Understood? Virus is never in any food chain and food web. It never comes. Decomposers or detrivores are what? They decomposes dead flora and fauna. They decomposes dead flora and fauna. Or it is very much important for nutrient cycle or geochemical cycle. This way we can say that autotroph then heterotroph their and I said that matter cycle, nutrient cycle and energy flow is maintained on the earth's surface by decomposers. मैटर साइकिल मतलब हमने जन्म लिया, हमारे अंदर मैटर आ गया, बायोमास आ गया, फिर हम मरेंगे तो तुरंत ये सारा बायोमास किस में चला जाएगा? In the earth. Understood? This is known as what? Matter cycle. Understood? So ये जितनी भी ऑटोट्रॉफ एंड हेट्रोट्रॉफ के अंदर जो मैटर है और जो न्यूट्रिएंट है, इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ साइकिल, न्यूट्रिएंट साइकिल. Energy flow is completely maintained on the earth's surface by whom? Decomposers. तो डिकम्पोजर क्या करेगा? इन सबको खत्म करके जमीन में मिक्स कर देगा. अंडरस्टूड इट? यस. Why I said that it is in a matter cycle, nutrient cycle, but it is an energy is not cycle. Energy is not a cycle, but it is in a flow. Yes. Yes. It does not transfer. अच्छा, सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स क्या कहना चाहते हो? मतलब एनर्जी कम होते चला जाता है. यूनिडायरेक्शनल, ये तो मुझे भी समझ में आ रहा है, दैट इज कंप्लीटली करेक्ट, बट एक्सप्लेनेशन इज इनकरेक्ट. यस, जैसे हमने मैटर जमीन में से हम लोग बने हैं, यहीं से सारा ऑर्गेनिक, एंड देन व्हेन विल डाई plants are again it will come back. So the matter cycle, if I have a nitrogen from this one, again atmosphere से nitrogen लिया, nitrogen come into the soil, soil से हमारे में आया through the plant, and then we die, then again nitrogen get into the atmosphere. So there is a cycle, means जहाँ से start हुआ था वहीं पे आना. But the sun energy is coming from sun, and then energy is not returning back, it goes into the space back but does not returning back onto the sun. So therefore unidirectional ये है, वहां से आता है. Yes, again it goes up but does not return back to the sun. So जब cycle नहीं complete है, then it is known as what? Therefore it is known as unidirectional. It is the sun is giving energy to the surrounding system, it is not returning